back up? No? Okay. Now that's what I was doing the past several weeks was yeah, seemed like it's stuttering a lot during videoing. See, I was doing touch and goes too with the C172. Okay, oops. Too fast now. Just about there. Okay, line up your weight. Right on center. Okay, check there. Throttles, we'll just have to do their clamp and beat rotate. There. Just all that right there. You know what to do there. Okay, set the throttles to right there. Okay. Okay. Halfway on. Okay. Okay. Release the partner brake. On. Bird IAS. There you go. Wow. 80 knots. KV1. And rotate. Okay. Climb. Okay, a little funny there. Okay. Okay, give it a minute. Oh, I forgot the timer. No, we just took off. It's 18:51. Okay. Okay, let's put VNAV there. Okay, there you go. We are going. Okay, rotate, retract, lights off. Those wing lights are off. Flaps are up. Okay, climb is on there. Okay, flaps and slats. EP is on. Throttle is on. Wait. Quick zeros on there. Flight. Oh. Okay, 292, set there. Okay. Speed on, I saw to the right. There we go. There we go. Doing well. Climbing, 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 climbing. Okay, climb well. Okay, yeah, VNAV, miss override. Let it go for now. Okay, D's and P's, home. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get on here. Turn on this. Turn on the belts already. Okay. Gears up. Okay, so getting the, well, let's see. No, we have the air. That one there. That one there, we're on that one there. Now we're going to have that one there. Okay, there, that one there. Okay, we're not going to do that diagram anymore. That one. Okay. 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 Those are off. Checking everything. Just checking. Left, I believe. That's not the widest. We're not sure it's going to be that. There's ATIS 12015. Okay, we're doing real well. Climbing up and climbing out. Lights on. Never. Okay, very good. And we have to match into some more speed there. Now sit there, 285. 299 speed mark. Oh no, we don't want that. Let's go ahead and miss override. Yeah, not that fast. There, okay. 2015, okay, get it ready, we won't put it on yet. Zero. going around there. So they're moving slowly. Oh yeah, that little valve is moving. Okay, that's climb. Good. Climb gauge looks good. Okay, well, we don't want the altimeter in Dallas yet, but we never found out the other day. Okay. Okay, so we got that ready there. It's got that ready there. Okay, there. There. Okay, just for the trip. Okay, and we're set at 285 with override speeds. Gosh, we're already 11 minutes into the film, and so far so good. Doing weird stuff. Yeah, I know. Let's hope we make it today. Yeah, this will be my bonus flight, so maybe Sunday I'll go to DLC maybe. Yeah, and we'll do this Sunday if this goes well today. Yeah. Well, went real well yesterday. Then say the autopilot was kind of funny going on today, but yeah. Anyway, okay, there we are. Okay then, let's check and see here now. I have that on cruise. And then the seatbelt signs turned off, right? They are off. So there, that's on. It's on. One gauge is climbing. Okay, that's off there. Okay. And engine power there. Power there. Okay, good. It was off or down. Yeah, good. Just checking things. Just checking. Oh my, we're already up to 19,000 feet. My goodness. Oh my. Oh, goodness. 1,000 feet left to go down. Okay, 1,000 to go over. Okay, less. Where I'm going. Man. There's that Dosoa. There's that loud thing. Yeah, well. Okay, that's on. That's on. Looking good here. Oh, now those hydraulics. Come on. Should go on low. Climb. Okay, the hydraulic pressure seems to be about normal. Just gonna want it. Slats are up. Do the time anyway. That's 1:01. It's 2 o'clock now here in Central Time. Copy woppy. Okay, there's that new one coming on. Come on, all the way to the top yet. Seatbelt signs are off. Yeah, the lead flight attendants already told them about that. Yeah, they're going to be serving food a little bit. But yeah, they're probably going to get drinks on and things. Yeah, let's check and see. It's fine here. Good check there. Okay. Oh my, I'm making that turn. Oh my. Yeah, Cooper's all excited with the engine. Yeah, oh yeah, I think of them all the time. Love the MD-88 while the food's coming. Yeah. Yeah, they're coming. Okay. Made that turn there. Whoops, I put that. Okay. Oh, else, you know, maybe blow everything off with smithereens. Okay. Yeah. Crazy. I don't know, it's gonna blow that all crazy. It's almost getting maybe too low. Something to keep cooling here. Oh yeah, nice. Get too windy. It's supposed to get kind of breezy windy today and tomorrow. Tomorrow more. Okay. Okay, and that's all off, and then the hydraulics are on low. Okay. Hydraulic pressures are normal for low. Okay. Hitting our time limit. Okay. Thank you for being with me. I hope this works and hopefully doesn't have a problem.